What's up, you guys? It is 5:45 in the morning. It is my sister's birthday. It's her 40th, you guys. So this is a big one, and we are going to celebrate the best we can during these times. As you can see, I fell asleep with my makeup on last night. My lashes hanging on for dear life. We are going to the hair salon by my mom's house. Gotta do my nails. I can't stop yawning. Happy birthday, Claudette. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, you.
Let me go wake up the birthday girl.
Well, good morning, birthday girl. You're not the birthday girl.
All right, we're ready. We're late. Let's go. We are heading to the hair salon. It's like a freaking boda up in here. You know when somebody's wedding day? It's your wedding day, girl.
Just to catch you up to speed, we have had everyone in our family COVID tested. We obviously had to pick a small group of people that could celebrate with us. And we did major testing on everyone and quarantining 2 days prior. So Claude, what do you think has been planned for you today?
I have no idea. Sister, you're looking good. Hair did. Hair laid. Yes, girl. Looking cheetah-licious with that. I'm going for 90s vibe, people. Claude is going for elegance, timeless, chic. This experience is everything.
So we told my sister everything is covered so she can't see. See? Everything is covered. She has no clue.
No clue.
You're not nervous?
No, not nervous yet.
Excited.
I'm excited. I will be nervous.
Best Husband of the Year award.
There are so many surprises for Claudette today. We have convinced her that we are having her 40th birthday party at her dream house. It's actually a house that she found online and told her that it was her dream house. He later explained to her that someone else had put an offer in and that they didn't get the home, but that the new owners would be willing to rent the home to us as the venue for her huge 40th birthday party.
Happy birthday, you. Make your dreams go zoom, zoom. Happy birthday, you.
One of my sister's really good friends is Brian, and he is an absolutely incredible event planner, and he's the one that really had the entire vision and design plan for Claudette's birthday. She definitely wanted a nod to a romantic night in Italy, which is one of my sister's favorite places, and I definitely think he did that. My sister is not a girly girl or the norm when you think of like, oh, a party, let's have florals everywhere. Not Claudette. Claudette wanted trees and greenery, and it was the sexiest dope vibe ever. Now it's time to get ready and get cute. Our guests are starting to arrive and they're enjoying the outdoor cocktail hour while we finish getting ready.
Look at Adrienne, never not working. She doesn't just do makeup tutorials online. She is a walking makeup tutorial, guys.
Now that we're all dressed and glammed, let the fun begin.
Only in New York Can you find?
Another surprise we have up our sleeve is Claudette's childhood best friend, Gigi, who lives in Florida, has traveled here to New York, quarantined, got COVID tested, and is ready to walk up and surprise her. Her reaction is priceless.
Okay, so the party is in full swing. We are now at the dinner part of it. So this is the great room that my sister is head over heels over.
She's over the moon just thinking that she gets to step foot into her dream house and walk around it and play house for the day in her dream home. What Claudette doesn't know is that there's a huge surprise coming. Jerd is going to blow her away.
Everyone in this room over the past several days got a 9-inch Q-tip shoved up to their frontal cortex. You know, if that's not an expression of love for this lady right here, I don't know what is.
Thank you,
So thank you all.
We love you.
At this time, I didn't look like this. I was still in the hospital. I gave birth to her at 11:51 in the morning. And I don't want to get emotional, but as every mother here can attest to, it's having a child that's wanted so badly. It's such an emotional and gratifying experience. I'm not gonna lie to you, it does hurt. But once you see that baby, that pain is gone. I am so proud of my daughter, the woman that she has become. I love you so much, so much.
My dad is singing to Claudette. It's making her whole life. She's such a daddy's girl.
Clearly, my whole family really loves to sing. I absolutely love that we have such understanding family and friends that were so supportive of us coming together and celebrating Claudette's 40th birthday. And those that weren't able to be there sent incredible messages. So I put together this entire video of all of our family, our friends, and some surprise celebrities for Claudette to see and surprise her with.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
So she is completely losing her mind when the video opens with her favorite singer ever, Leslie Odom Jr.
Claudette, you already know, it's Leslie Odom Jr. Israel was joking around, you saying you're my biggest fan, but I would beg to differ. I think I'm your biggest fan.
Followed by Leslie Odom Jr., I called up Jeannie Mai, who I knew had worked with Leslie Jordan. He's definitely one of her favorites, and she's always showing me his videos on Instagram, and he did an incredible job. I mean, just when he opened it and said, "Well, Miss Claudette," it completely blew her away.
Well, Miss Claudette.
She was losing her mind. We also really thought it'd be special to include people that are so near and dear to my sister's heart, her nursing team back at Cornell Medical, and she loves these women so much. They clearly meant so much to her. She got super emotional just seeing their beautiful faces. We ended the video with not just a surprise for Claudette, but also a surprise for Jerd. With our favorite singer, we've actually gone to concerts to see him together, and Israel is great friends with him, and it is Juan Luis Guerra, who is legendary. He's iconic in the Latin music world, and she was losing her mind. But
When I told you that the house was under contract with another buyer and that we had lost it, the truth is that that buyer was us.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah. And several weeks ago, when I had you sign those papers, I was just sign those, and we got to do some stuff, like medical stuff, BS, blah, blah, blah. You were signing papers for this house, and the deed to this house is in your name. What? And these are your keys.
Okay. Okay.
My sister seriously has one of the best husbands ever. Jared is incredible, and even though she said, oh, you know, we're in the middle of a pandemic, we don't have to do anything, my brother went above and beyond to make this night just magical for my sister. And I love that he got all the elements, him and Bryant and myself, with the gelato and having like the perfect wine carts, and it just was absolutely perfection. And at the end of the night, to be handed those keys and to know that, wow, this is my sister's new home in New York, and she deserves this and so much more.
Happy birthday, dear Claudette. Happy birthday to you. All right.
Because of everyone's love and support here, I am in such a good space.
Yes.
Amen. And God is so good.
Yes.
Hey.
All the time.
In this chapter, I feel like I am going to be the most authentic Claudette.
Yes.
And I love you guys.
Love you too.
I love you. And I appreciate you guys.
You're
Y'all know.
amazing.
Y'all know.
We had the best time. Georgie came back with us, and Titi Fuji came back with us, so they're quarantining with us now too for the rest of the weekend, and I'm just so happy. And my sister is beyond over the moon happy, and that's all that matters. She has her beautiful house. She has just the most precious children, an amazing husband, and she's so loved. So happy 40th, Claudette. We're gonna keep the party going as soon as mommy wakes up to make us breakfast. I can't even speak. Amazing, and I love you all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy birthday, Claude.